Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: General Network Access, a new transmission access system. Chhatra Itkori power transmission line inaugurated to solve power woes of few districts in Jharkhand. Institute of Nanoscience and Technology developed reactor prototype to produce cost-effective green hydrogen. Coming to the details. The Union Ministry of Power has promulgated the Electricity Transmission System Planning, Development and Recovery of Interstate Transmission Charges Rules 2021. In a major change from the present system of taking transmission access, power plants will not have to specify their target beneficiaries. The rules will also empower state power distribution and transmission companies to determine their transmission requirements and build them. The transmission capacity can be sold, shared, or purchased by the states and generators. The rules specify how the existing long-term long-term agreement would be transitioned into general network access. The rules also outline the recovery of GNA charges from the users of transmission network and assign the responsibility of billing, collection and disbursement of interstate transmission charges to the central transmission utility. The rules prescribe the excess draw or injection over the GNA capacity sanctioned shall be charged at rates which are at least 25% higher, and this will ensure that the entities do not underdeclare their GNA capacity. The rules will bring in rationality, responsibility, and fairness in the process of transmission planning as well as its costs. The central government has notified these rules with a view to streamline the process of planning, development, and recovery of investment in the transmission system. The rules are aimed at encouraging investments in generation and transmission sectors. The rules will enable the country to develop deeper markets. State will be able to purchase electricity from short-term and medium-term contracts and optimize their power purchase costs. The rules also specify clear roles of various agencies involved in the transmission planning process. The Central Electricity Authority shall prepare a short-term plan every year on rolling basis for next 5 years and perspective plan every alternate year on rolling basis for next 10 years. The Central Transmission Utility shall prepare an implementation plan for interstate transmission system every year on rolling basis for up to next 5 years, which will take into account aspects such as right of way, progress of generation and demand in various parts of the country. The Central Electricity Regulatory Commission has been empowered to bring out detailed regulations on GNA in interstate transmission system. Chief Minister Hemant Soren will inaugurate the Chhatra Itkori power transmission line of Jharkhand. The new power line will lead to a rapid industrialization of an otherwise backward region. Around 200 crore rupees has invested in laying the transmission lines and setting up of the grid. The project was conceptualized more than a decade ago, but as the line passes through the reserved forest areas, for which clearances had to be sought from the forest department, and the delays in obtaining the required clearances had hurdles in speedy implementation. 7 districts of the states Bakaro, Dhanbad, Girid, Koderma, Ramgarh, Chhatra and Hazirabad are fully dependent on DVC for power. With the inauguration of the Chhatra Itkori transmission line, the entire district of Chhatra along with the parts of Hazaribagh and Koderma would now receive power directly from Jharkhand Bijli Vitaran Nigam Limited, the state-owned power distribution company. The state has been purchasing power at rupees 4 rupees 75 paisa per unit from DVC, whereas JBVNL power comes cheap at 3 rupees per unit. A thermal power plant of 1980 megawatt capacity of NTPC is coming up at Tanwada in Chhatra district. Phase 1 of the project with an installed capacity of 660 megawatt is expected to be completed soon. Once this project is commissioned, the newly laid Chhatra Itkori would enable evacuation of power from NTPC thermal power plant and enable Jharkhand to become a power surplus state. Besides, Jharkhand would be able to sell power at Indian Energy Exchange or country's power exchanges at hefty profits, thereby increasing money flows to the state exchequer. DVC power lines are also completely overloaded. The newly laid transmission line would not only ensure quality power supplies to power-starved districts but would also help attract a host of heavy industries and boost rapid economic development of predominantly backward regions of the state. A team of scientists from Institute of Nanoscience and Technology has for the first time developed a reactor that produces a substantial amount of hydrogen using sustainable sources like sunlight and water, which is a cost-effective and sustainable process. The INST team employed the low-cost organic semiconductor in carbon nitrates, which can be prepared using cheaper precursors like urea and melamine at ease in the kilogram scale. When the sunlight falls on this semiconductor, electrons and holes are generated. The electrons reduce the protons to produce hydrogen, and the holes are consumed by some chemical agents called sacrificial agents. Currently, prototype reactor that operates under natural sunlight to produce hydrogen at a large scale around 6.1 liter in 8 hours. The INST team started from the lab scale process to the bulk scale of developing the photocatalyst and hydrogen production through a large prototype reactor. Development of large scale prototype reactors with photocatalysts and a successful use of those in large scale hydrogen production is under process. The team is in the process of optimizing the hydrogen production with effective sunlight hours in addition to the purity of the hydrogen, moisture traps and gas separation membranes so as to hyphenate with the fuel cells. Additional news today. NTPC is soon going to be close 2 units each of Khanti and Barauni thermal power stations on account of higher production cost. Power Minister R.K. Singh has asked Tehri Hydro Development Corporation Limited and Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited to bid for solar and wind projects. Chhattisgarh CM launches cow-dung based power generation project. Hudson Agro Product Limited entered PPA with Select Sun Energy Private Limited to purchase power for 15 years from latter 16 megawatt solar plant in Trichy district of Tamil Nadu. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 234.43 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 12 rupees 26 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 9 rupees 33 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 15 rupees 58 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 11 rupees 83 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 11 rupees 90 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.